Introducing the world's first OLED curved TV by LG, the pioneer in cutting-edge display technology. LG has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation with this groundbreaking television, combining the mesmerizing beauty of OLED with an immersive curved design to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience. In a groundbreaking move that revolutionized the television industry, LG Electronics, a leading manufacturer of consumer electronics, unveiled the world's first OLED curved TV in 2013. This pioneering product showcased LG's commitment to pushing the boundaries of display technology and provided an immersive viewing experience like never before. With its curved design, the LG OLED TV introduced a new dimension of depth and realism to home entertainment. LG's incredible OLED screens. Over the past few years, LG has been revolutionizing the display technology game, and we're here to take you on a journey through the evolution of their OLED screens from 2015 to 2023. So, grab your popcorn and let us dive in. In 2023 Display Week is an annual event organized by SID, a professional organization focused on the display industry. The conference typically showcases the latest advancements in display technologies, including OLEDs, LCDs, micro-LEDs, e-paper, and more. Display Week often features keynote presentations, technical sessions, panel discussions, an exhibition floor where companies' organizations display best micro-LED products innovations. Winner of micro-LED-based technology LG Display for its 12-inch 20% stretchable. And more about this type of interesting video, check the I button. Please note that the information provided above is based on the details you provided and may not be the complete list of winners or categories. For comprehensive and accurate information, it is advisable to refer to official sources such as the Display Week website or reliable news outlets that cover the event. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.